Can you be able to top up, add money, or reload a digital tap card that is on your iPhone's Apple Wallet using cash on a tap vending machine? The answer is yes. On this video, I'll be adding an stored value amount of $1.75. First, select a language. Selections are English and Espanol. Press the side button that corresponds to the letter of choice. Next, press the F button. Selecting, reload your tap card. Tap your phone on the machine when prompted. On the next prompt, press the F button for stored value. Select the amount to add. Payment can be made using cash, credit cards, or debit cards. I will be paying in cash. Tap your iPhone on the machine when prompted to complete your transaction. Press the J button to exit. The Transit Access Pass Tap is a contactless smart card used for automated fare collection on most public transport services within Los Angeles County, California. Using TAP improves your multimodal transit experience. You can pay for bus and rail trips as well as other transit programs throughout Los Angeles. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video.